Imagine this. You're taxiing out, ready for a smooth morning flight, and you glance down at your engine. It's reliable, powerful, and nearly legendary among pilots. If your plane has one of these engines, consider yourself lucky, because not all engines are built to inspire confidence, longevity, and pure flying enjoyment. Today, we're counting down the top 6 aircraft engines that pilots dream about, from tried and true classics to modern marvels, and why they make flying more than just a hobby, it's an experience. Whether you're flying a Cessna 172 Skyhawk for training or a Pilatus PC-12 for long cross-country trips, knowing the engine under your cowling is as important as the plane itself. Why the engine matters. Before we jump into specifics, let's set the stage. Your engine is more than a power source. It defines safety. How reliable is it in all conditions? Performance. Can it climb efficiently, cruise smoothly, or power short-field takeoffs? Maintenance costs. Some engines are legendary for longevity and lower operating costs. And for retirees or hobbyists, choosing a plane with a dependable engine can be the difference between stress-free flying and endless trips to the mechanic. Here's a question to think about as we go. Which matters most to you? Power, longevity, or low maintenance? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Number 6. Lycoming IO 360. Many GA pilots know this one. The Piper Cherokee 140, 160 horsepower, and Beechcraft Musketeer Sundowner often rely on the Lycoming IO 360. Power output 180 to 200 horsepower. Fuel injection system, smooth throttle response. Proven longevity, decades of service. What makes it special is its balance. It's not overly complex, yet it performs well in cross-country flying, giving retirees and new pilots alike confidence. Its reliability makes weekend hops and training flights almost worry-free. Discussion prompt. If your plane had an engine like this, how much peace of mind would that give you? Share below. Number 5. Continental IO 550. Step up the performance ladder with the Piper Saratoga or Cessna TTX, which often feature the Continental IO 550. Power output 300 horsepower. Smooth, reliable throttle response, high compression and fuel efficiency. This engine allows aircraft to cruise faster, climb better, and carry heavier loads, all without adding complexity. For retirees planning cross-country flights, it provides confidence on every leg. Here's a thought for discussion. Would you trade simplicity for performance, or prioritize reliability over speed? Comment below for Pratt & Whitney PT6A. Moving into turboprops, we can't ignore the Pilatus PC-12 and King Air 200, 250. Their heart? The Pratt & Whitney PT6A. Turboprop workhorse, powers thousands of aircraft worldwide. Proven durability, over 50 years of service. Excellent short-field performance. The PT6A is almost bulletproof. Retirees love it because it reduces stress on long trips and performs reliably in various conditions, from alpine strips to tropical airfields. Imagine the peace of mind of knowing your engine has decades of operational history behind it. Question: for long trips, would you rather have raw power or proven reliability? Drop your opinion below. Number 3. Rotax 912, 915 series. For light sport and ultralight aircraft, such as the Pipistrel Panthera or Aeropract 822 Foxbat, the Rotax 912 and 915 engines are game changers. Fuel efficient and light, smooth and responsive, modern electronic engine management. These engines make flying simple and cost-effective, especially for hobbyists and retirees who don't want the hassle of high maintenance. Many pilots say it makes small aircraft feel like toys that are still safe and reliable. Here's a question. Would you consider a light sport aircraft as your main plane if it had a Rotax engine? Let's discuss in the comments. Number 2. Williams FJ33 FJ-44. Stepping into the personal jet category, aircraft like the Cirrus Vision Jet SF-50 and light business jets like the Honda Jet Elite II are powered by engines like the Williams FJ-33 or FJ-44. Jet performance in a compact package, efficient and low maintenance relative to larger jets, smooth acceleration and cruise. For retirees or part-time pilots, these engines mean you can experience jet flying without decades of training or huge operating costs. It's performance with peace of mind. Discussion prompt. Would you fly a small jet if it meant much higher cost but unmatched speed and comfort? Comment below. Number 1. Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A Special Version. Yes, the turboprop makes the list again, because certain PT6A variants in aircraft like the Daher TBM 960 or Pilatus PC-12 NGX are in a class of their own. Turbocharged for high-altitude cruising, extremely reliable, low vibration, low maintenance, decades of proven service globally. This engine allows aircraft to fly farther, faster, and safer than almost anything else in GA. For retirees who value autonomy, cross-country capability, and reliability, it's the ultimate power plant. Ask yourself, how much does knowing your engine is virtually bulletproof affect your decision to buy or continue flying a plane? Share your thoughts below. Final thoughts. Engines are the heart of any aircraft. From the trusted Lycoming IO360 and trainers to the modern turboprops like the Daher TBM 960, the right engine brings confidence, safety, and joy. For retirees, understanding engines is just as important as understanding the aircraft itself. They define your flying experience, influence maintenance costs, and provide the peace of mind needed for stress-free adventures. Here's a question for you. If you could choose any engine for your next plane, which one would it be and why? Drop your answer in the comments. It could help fellow pilots make one of the most important decisions of their flying life. Engines may not always steal the spotlight, but they literally keep you in the sky. And for those who are lucky enough to have one of these top 6, every flight is a reminder of just how incredible general aviation can be.